15 lines essay on my hobby reading in English, 114 words. My hobbies are many, but I love reading storybooks the most. I have a lot of storybooks in my room. I keep them on the shelves. Every night I read some stories before going to bed. I enjoy reading stories that are full of adventures. I also like reading fairy tales as they take me to a different world. Reading helps me learn new words and develop my vocabulary. When I read books, I learn about people and various places around the world. There is a big library in my school. I sometimes borrow books from the library to read. Borrow means udar lena. My parents also buy me storybooks on my birthday. I enjoy reading a lot. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.